Hello students, today we are going to discuss Science of Class 3, Chapter 6, Common Insects. Please come to page number 53. We will start from life cycle of a butterfly. Most insects hatch from eggs. Butterflies also reproduce by laying eggs. The babies that come out of eggs do not resemble the adult insects. They are called larvae. The larvae feed on their own and become adults after a few days. The larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar. Let us understand the life cycle of a butterfly. A mother butterfly lays its eggs on the leaves of plants. When the eggs hatch, tiny larvae come out of them. The larvae feed on green leaves and become bigger day by day. When it cannot eat anymore, it covers itself in a case called cocoon. This stage is called pupa. The caterpillar changes its form inside the cocoon. After a few weeks, the cocoon opens and a beautiful butterfly with wet wings comes out. It dries its wings in the sun and flies away. Now we will discuss about social insects. First we are going to read about ants. Many insects live by themselves. Some insects like bees and ants live in large groups called colonies. Ants are called social insects. They live under the ground by removing the soil and making tunnels. Here they find food and shelter. Ants' colonies contain thousands of ants. There are three main members in an ants colony. They are worker ants, queen ants, and male ants. Worker ants. Most of the worker ants bring food, clean the ant hill, and take care of eggs and the young ones. They do not have wings. So, over here we can see that there are three main members in an ants colony. First, we are going to read about worker ants. Just now I have read it out that most of the worker ants bring food, clean the ant hill, and take care of eggs and the young ones. Then we are going to read about queen ants. The queen ants lay eggs. They have wings. They do not do any other work. Last we are going to read about male ants. The male ants help the queen ants to lay eggs. They also have wings. Honeybees. Honeybees are insects that visit flowers. The bees suck the nectar from flowers and store it in their stomach. Then they fly back to the hive. A beehive is a place where a bee colony lives. It is made of cells called combs. These combs are like small rooms where the bees store nectar, lay eggs, and raise their young ones. The bees spit out the nectar and seal the comb with wax that they produce. Slowly the nectar turns into honey. Each beehive has one queen bee that lays eggs. There are a few male bees called drones in a hive. Many worker bees live in in a hive. They build the hive, look after the young ones, and collect nectar from flowers. Now we are going to see some useful insects. Some insects are very useful because they give us useful products such as bee give us honey, silkworms give us silk. Harmful effects of insects. There are many good insects, but there are also plenty of insects that are harmful to people. Insects found in homes such as ants, mosquitoes, termites, flies, cockroaches, and tiny moths can harm us in different ways. Number one, mosquito bites can cause many diseases. Number two, ants, flies, and cockroaches can spoil our food. Number three, termites can destroy wooden furniture and books. Last, tiny moths can destroy our clothes. There are several types of insects that are parasitic. These insects live on people. Parasitic insects include lice, bed bugs, and flies. Remedies: insect bite can lead to blisters, redness, inflammations, swelling, pain, itching, irritation, etc. Insects that bite are mosquitoes, bed bugs, spiders, and ticks. Mosquito bite can cause diseases such as malaria, dengue, and yellow fever. Cockroaches carry germs on their bodies. If we allow them to sit on our food, we too may be infected with the germs and fall sick. Bed bugs infect our clothes and mattresses. The following steps can be taken to prevent harmful effects of insects on human beings. Number one, doors and windows should have window screens or wear nettings. Number two, dustbin should be kept covered. Number third, wear long sleeve clothes. Number four, wash clothes and bed sheet in hot water. Next point, get the house treated for pest control regularly to keep away cockroaches, termites, and other harmful insects. Number 6, use an insect repellent cream. And number 7, check containers for stagnant water, as this provides a breeding ground for mosquitoes. Now children, I will discuss some question answers and objectives with you. You can see them on the screen. Hope you all enjoyed the class. Now read the chapter nicely and do the assignment in your Science Interleaf copy. Thank you.